Good morning, students. We will read the first chapter of standard 8, only made impossible possible. Once a thief was caught for stealing a purse from a man. The thief was handed over to the police. The police sent him to jail. The person who was arrested had to be tried out in a court. On the day of the trial, the man whose purse was stolen hired a lawyer and three witnesses. The witnesses were present when the purse was stolen. The third witness had some problems, he could not come. At the time of trial, the first witness was called to the witness box. The judge asked, when was the theft made? Was it day or night? The first witness replied, it was day, my lord. The second question, the judge asked, how many persons were there at the time of the theft? 5, your honor, said the witness. The judge's third question was, what the color of the stolen purse was? Black, your honor, replied the witness. So here the first paragraph, once a thief was caught, catch. The second part is caught. The thief was caught for stealing. Steal, S-T-E-A-L. Steal means theft or चोरी करिया जो कहबे. Caught धरा पड़िया. Once a thief was caught for stealing a purse from a man. The thief was handed over to the police. So the police sent him to jail. The police sent him to the jail. The person who was arrested, the person who was caught, to be tried out in a court. He was taken, the thief was taken to the court. So next, on the day of the trial, so the man whose purse, jahar purse ta chori heitila, hired a lawyer. Lawyer, janaku se nature lawyer, L-A-W-E-R. Lawyer hela means L-A-W-Y-E-R. lawyer hela वकील जो कहते हमें वकीलों को निजर कला and three witnesses. Witness W-I-T-N-E-S-S hela साक्षी. तीन जन साक्षी, three witnesses were present when the purse was stolen. The third witness had some problems. At the time of the trial, the third witness did not come. Why? Because he had some problems. At the time of trial, the first witness was called to the witness box. Witness box we can find in court, that this type of box made up of wood. There the witness stood and the judge started to asking question. When was the theft made? केतବେଳେ चोरी माने होइथिला? Was it day or night? Was it day or night? The first witness replied, it was day, my lord. The first witness, what does the first witness say? It was the daytime. It was the daytime. First witness. So again, the second question to the judge, how many persons were there the time of theft? 5. The first witness said there were 5 persons present at the time of theft. Next, so the judge again asked the third question, that what the color of the stolen purse was. So the first witness, the third question was the color of this purse. So that is, he said that black, the color of the purse was black. So again we have to do some comprehension questions here. 1 to 12 questions are there. So you have to do who are there in the part of the story. What did the thief steal? The thief stole a purse. Who arrested the thief? The thief. Who arrested? The police arrested the thief. Likewise, you should do the comprehension. So homework for this step. SGP 1. Homework 1 to question number 1 to 12. Then we should go to the SGP 2. So here next the second witness was called to the witness box. The judge asked him, when was the theft made? Was it day or night? The second witness replied, it was night, sir. The judge next asked, how many persons were there at the time of the theft? The witness replied, 25, my lord. The judge finally asked the last question, what was the color of the purse? White, your honor, replied the witness. So here in SGP 2 we can find the second witness was called. Second witness was called. The judge asked him the first question. What was the first question? When was the theft made? In the first witness case, first witness, what did the first witness tell? That it is the daytime. Daytime. But in the case of second witness, what did the second witness told? What did the second witness tell? So here, was it day or night? The second witness replied, it was night. It was night. The theft was occurred at night. So again, the judge next asked how many persons were there at the time of theft. Here, in the case of first witness, he replied that 5 persons. Replied 5 persons. But in the case of second witness, what did he tell? That 25. Here 25 persons he replied. Second witness replied 25 persons were there at the time of theft. The judge finally asked the last question. What was the color of the purse? Here in the case of first witness, he replied the color of the purse was black. Isn't it? Next, in the case of second witness, what did the answer? The answer was that white. Here, he told white. So here, the case of first witness and second witness, the replies, the answers were not same to each other. They are different. So, the trial was postponed for the next day. But the lawyer was terribly upset. He scolded the witness for giving contradictory facts. But each of the witnesses told that he had told the truth. The case is lost. There is no hope of saving the case. No need for sending a third witness, grumbled the angry lawyer. As you know, in the case of SGP 3, we can find the lawyer was upset. Lawyer was upset. Upset means that disappointed. Disappointed. The lawyer was disappointed. Why? Because the two cases, the replies are different. The answers were different. So he was upset and he scolded also. He scolded the witnesses. Scolded means rebuked. REBUKED means told something angrily. Means जोटा कि हमें इन ओरिया गाली देवा कहनी. पार्टी करिवा राखी. So rebuked, that he scolded the witness for giving contradictory facts. That is contradictory. Contradictory facts means different to each other. Different to each other. Here we can find two answers to replies are different. Daytime night time 5:25, then black, that is white. So that is the difference in so answer. So the case is lost. So the case was dismissed. The case was dismissed. There is no base point to the case. The case is lost. There is no hope of saving the case. So the lawyer, the judge, lost the hope to keep the case alive. The case was dismissed, and that cannot be alive, to make it alive. So here Ollie and lawyer Cook was listening to Ollie, the lawyer Cook was listening to all this. He said, "Take me as the third witness." Ollie, who was Ollie? First we know that who was Ollie. Ollie was the lawyer's cook. Cook means who cook for the lawyer in the kitchen. So take me as the third witness. I can save the case. So here Ollie gave the possibility to keep the case alive. How? So he told that he could answer the right answer so that the case was alive. So that the lawyer laughed and said, "This is impossible as you are a mere cook." As you are a mere cook. Mere cook means very general and sadharan जोटा कहते साधारण. So that is you are a mere cook. So that the lawyer laughed and said, "This is impossible as you are a mere cook. You should know this, Ollie." Ollie in his faulty English. Faulty, F-A-U-L-T-Y, wrong. So wrong, bhul, faulty English said, "Sir, I have been cooking you for the last 10 years. So that's the, what is here this fault? So he told, "I have been cooking you," means that the lawyer, it is impossible. He could not cook a lawyer for 10 years. So here, "And you know I can also cook the judge and the governor." So here he also said another wrong way. "I can cook you and the cook you means cook the judge and the governor. Judge and the governor. So this is also wrong. So here I am an excellent cook. Excellent. So unique. Good. A good cook. I know how to make impossible possible. Give me a chance, sir. So here Ollie requested to whom? Ollie requested to the judge. Requested to the judge to give a chance. To give a chance. Chance means sujog. That he wanted to give a chance. He wanted to give him a chance, that so that he could make the case stable. Means make the case stable or alive. So you have we have already read SGP 1, 2 and 3. And the homework is that you have to do the question of SGP 1, all the question comprehension check, comprehension question of SGP 1, SGP 2 and SGP 3. This is your homework. Okay.